and welcome back to day 2 of unboxing the Beatles Advent Calendar. So after I got day 1 out yesterday, I slid out the drawers just so I could get a feel for where the numbers are, and from what I can tell, the first half of the numbers are behind John and Paul, the second half of the numbers are behind George and Ringo. So about what I figured, but at least I can go in knowing that I don't have to just idly fish through all 4 of them every single time trying to find where's the next number. So it's just the trickiness of getting these out in the first place because they fit so snugly that it's like, I'm probably gonna have to take John's drawer out again just to get to Paul's, because I know day 2 is not in with John. We saw that yesterday when we opened that, but we do have 3 there for tomorrow. But okay, let's get to Paulie Poo. Yeah, see number 2 right there. Alright, we can stick John back in for now. Keep him safe. Alright. So day 2 is right here. Good to know that 4, 5, and 6 are all in this one too, so we can remember that for after tomorrow, because I know 3 is in the first one, but the box doesn't want to come out. Frick. Alright, this is a little bit of a challenging design, but not a bad one, just a challenging one. So, okay. Door 2. Okay, ooh, we have more of the tissue paper. What do we got? It's something hard. Oh, I am just so in love with that tissue paper. Same tissue paper, so I'm assuming it's going to be around literally every piece in here, but that's okay. The more the merrier. Oh, it looks like it continues the design of the tissue paper. Actually, what is this? It looks like reproductions of tickets or something. Trying to figure out to what show. August 28th, 1964. You know what state that is? I suppose Forest Hills Music Festival. I suppose we should probably like Google that. What is this? Stinks like plastic, whatever it is. I mean, what is this? I'm like feeling around. Is there a slot somewhere that I'm not seeing? Oh, wait, yeah, there's one right here. So it's like, what the hell? Is this like a wallet? There's a slot here. Yeah, okay. Okay, so there's like a little slot here and a slot here. So I suppose you could keep a card here and a card here, if you should so desire. So, okay, this is in New York, because I can see more of the design on this side. $5.95 for a ticket for row V, seat 32. Craziness. But that's kind of cool. Alright. I would not have thought of that for an item for one of these, but that is kind of cool, and it's real beefy. I mean, this... Actually, I shouldn't say what it reminds me of, but I'll just say put a stick on it. Anyway, but, yeah, that is nice. I'm not sure if I want to use it or not. Because, frankly, I usually just use the wallet that's built into my phone case. I don't have that many cards. I have a debit card, my ID card, my Medi-Cal card, a library card, and that's about it. So I'm like, well, I mean, if I want to just carry 2 around, I guess I could use this, but that would be... I guess if I were to change phone cases to one that doesn't have a wallet built in, maybe? I don't know, but it's cool! It's cool. I don't dislike it. I'm not unhappy with it in any way, shape, or form. It just took me a minute to figure out, what the hell am I looking at? So, anyway, that is what is in door number 2. So, day number 3, I am still very curious about, because it's one of those very flat panels like number 6 is in this tray. So, I don't know. I'm assuming something paper or cardboard or just something very, very thin. But yeah, so anyways. That's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.